Hello everyone. Now we are going to see analytic application in Python. Okay, first we are importing numpy as np and importing pandas as pd and import matplotlib.pyplot. Here matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting. Okay, plotting basically scatter plotting or some type of plotting. It is used for plotting. For plotting that is in the form of graph, we are using matplotlib.pyplot. Okay, we are assigning that as plt. Okay, then percentage of matplotlib inline. We are using that just because our graph must appear inside the Jupyter notebook, not outside or somewhere else, so that it is an inline function, magic function, so that we are using percentage matplotlib inline. Okay, df is equal to pd.read underscore csv. We are importing a file read underscore csv from some source. Okay, this is the source of that file which is kept. Okay, so that this is called this is we are taking we are assigning df is equal to as this file. Okay, df we are assigning this file to one variable called df. Okay, this is okay, df head of file in the sense you must display only 5 items like that we are saying. Okay, so that then we are having so much columns, so we do not need these written columns, so that we are dropping that columns. First we are making different types, what type it is, we are assigning what we are monitoring what type it is, and every column which has its right, every column is having some type of like model, make, year, right, so that we are removing it. First we are checking it and then we are removing the unnecessary things what we want. Okay, first make it is object like that, it is going on, so that next we are dropping the unwanted things, such as we do not want fuel engines, engine fuel types, so that we are dropping everything which we do not want. Okay, engine fuel type, market category and all we do not want, so that just because it occupies a high space, huge space, and we do not want that data. Okay, so that we are dropping it and we are displaying again that head of file, so that after that we are renaming the column in the sense we have some column type like we have some unmeaningful, not meaningful column names, so that we are renaming that column names. Okay, so that we are using df is equal to df dot rename of columns, what column you have to replace and what name you have to replace, you must give in a colon. Okay, and then that those are the words we are giving, and that's all. We are giving this inside a parenthesis and a column with the round bracket. Okay, df dot head of 1, we're defining only one, just because we have to know that we have the changes have been done. Okay, here we have replaced in the hps hp, so it has replaced, so we are knowing the values by displaying only one. It is only one is enough for the display of columns, so that we are displaying it. Okay, different shape, what shape it is. Okay, we are knowing what shape it is, so that okay, then df.count in the sense it counts how many number of rows and columns are there. Okay, so that make everything, it is the column is uneven in these two, right, so that we are removing unnecessary columns in everything. Okay, duplicate rows is equal to df dot duplicated, like that we are assigning df duplicated as duplicate underscore rows underscore df, we are assigning like that, so that we can remove that afterwards. Okay, and print number of duplicate rows is df to duplicate, how many duplicate number of rows we are printing. Okay, duplicated. Okay, we are printing this df dot count, so as we said before, the same is printed. Okay, and we are printing the number of duplicated rows here, and df drop duplicate, in the sense the duplicated rows have to be dropped. We are assigning that after duplication that rows are assigned in df. Okay, and df dot is null dot sum in the sense df dot is null in the sense the value which are null have to be summed and we must get the answer. Okay, for since there is a gap here, see these many gaps are there, right, that many gaps are filled here. Okay, df to drop na, what does the drop na means, what is the meaning of na, which has no values. Okay, so that we are dropping them. First let me explain you before df dot drop underscore duplicates. First we are dropping the duplicated values, understand, dropping the duplicated values. Okay, and then we are knowing the unknown values. Okay, unknown values in the sense not filled values. Okay, and we are dropping that is equal to df is equal to df to drop na, we are dropping that values, and we are again counting the values. Everything has similar, right? So that we have cleaned the data. Okay, and df is null dot sum. So we have no null values here. It is the output of this. We must not have null values. Okay, pld dot subplots of fixed size. We must fix size in the sense this is the size. Okay, this is the size, and we are writing as df dot subplots of fixed size in the 10 to 6. Okay, and histogram, we want this in histogram, so we are writing as histogram as here like 1990 is something. Okay, and then x label also must be here, and y label also must be y label must be number of cars. Okay, histogram must move according to the year, so that we are using histogram according to year. Okay, and same. Okay, we are using scatter plots. Scatter plots, we need two things, so that we are using df of hp, df of price. Okay, x label hp, y label price. That's all is analytic application. So I hope it is very clear for you, and it is very simple than any other exercise. So I hope this is very clear for you. So thank you for watching this video fully. Thank you.